Why? You want to ask me out on a date?
Maybe. Do you have a boyfriend?
No.
You never told me your name.
Why do you want to know my name?
I want to know who I'm looking at.
Barely 2 words in, and you already look like you want me dead. You're getting all worked up over nothing. You've changed. You're getting weak.
I'ma grow up and be an astronaut. I'm on a Mexican radio.
Come with mommy. Mother.
No!
No. Oh. I see how it is.
Say it with me now!
I know you understand, I can't leave you alone. I give you my time, but you can't pick up the phone. Life done been so tragic, huh? If only me your zone. Try not to be obsessed with. I fucked up, old girl, I know, I know, I know. I fucked up, old girl, I know, I know, I know.
Your heart is pounding and it can't be stopped. You tell yourself you're okay. It's too bad your doors can't be locked to keep the monsters away. You check behind the door, there's nothing there no more. You should have stayed in bed. You've heard this noise before. You dive across the floor. Try not to lose your head. Prepare for the horrors. This night will keep repeating over and over and over until you make it to the end.
I'll be the one, girl. Don't have to jump up super high. High up in the sky. Don't power up like that.
Hi, what's your talent?
I can read minds.
No, you can't.
Afternoon. What can I do for you?
I need to buy a gun.
Never back down, never what?
Never give up.
Never back down, never what?
Never give up.
Let's go! Let's go!
I tried to get the waiter's attention by blinking in Morse code.
Why are you blinking so much?
I've got something in my eye.
Here, let me get it out.
No, thank you. I don't want to die. Bonjour. Sir was blinking at me. Is this because your date is a freak? No. Very good then. Bon appetit.
I'm sorry, I didn't order a glass of your opinion! Maybe eating it will work.
just came here to the party for the drugs. Drugs, drugs. I'm not trying to make a friend or fall in love. Love, love. So just stop the faking.
There is only one rule. Keep the lights on. Children must be punished.
We're told we have to do what we're told, but surely sometimes you have to be a little bit naughty.
I see it in its face.